All right, hi, this is James with the 1hoursmarthome.com. Please subscribe, like this video, support us by clicking on the links below or going to our website. So today we are going to show you how you can control your Nest Thermostat with Google Home if you have a Google Home hub. But this is going to also work some of the voice commands for any Google Home device. So what you're going to do, if you've got one of these hubs, you may not know this. It actually is a touchscreen interface, so you can scroll between photos, do all kinds of stuff like that. But if you want to go to the smart home interface, all you're going to do is drag down. And now you can see here, you maybe can't see it because that's a tongue twister, because the icons are a little bit small on the camera, but I'll read them to you. It's got lights, routines, media, broadcast, thermostats, cameras, locks. So these are all my smart home devices that I've got here in the house. You can click on the links below. We've got, every smart home device we recommend, like test out, I've left in my house because they're useful. So I'm just going to click on the thermostats logo, and now you can see I've got family room, the temperature here. It shows me the indoor temperature. It's at 73. It shows me what I've got the heat set to, and I can toggle the temperature or I can toggle the mode if I click here. So I could go to mode, I could change it to heat, cool, heating and cooling, which is a range, eco mode, or off. So let's just change the temperature so you can see this. All right, it's set to 65 right now. I'm gonna put it up to 71. Okay, and you can see it just changed on the thermostat. So very easy to do. Let's say I wanna put it down to 40. There we go, temperature. I'm gonna put it down to 40. So right now, I can't go to 40, that's too low, but we're gonna do 52. So you can see it just turned to 52 just by adjusting this temperature designation right here on the Google Home Hub. All right, now let's say I want to change the mode. All I'm gonna do is click on the mode icon down here, and I'm gonna change it to cooling, okay? Now I'm gonna go back to the temperature, see what we've got it set to. Well, we had it set to 52, so you probably heard it, just click on there. And I'm just gonna go back up to a temperature that's gonna turn this off. So we're gonna go to 79 there. I just scrolled around the dial. You can see it turned to 79 on the thermostat. And that is how you can control your Nest Thermostat with Google Home Hub. But let's say you just want to control it with Google Home Mini or one of your other Google devices that doesn't have a screen on it, or you're not near this. Very simple. You can use Google Home commands to control it. So all I would have to say is, okay, Google, set thermostat to 65.
Okay, setting the family room to 65 degrees.
Oh, thank you very much. So you can see it just set it to 65. We've been turning it on and off, so it says starts in 1 minute and 55 seconds or so, because it's trying not to overload the compressor with starting and stopping, which is a really nice feature of Nest. But now let's say I want to set it to heat mode. All I say is, okay, Google, set thermostat to heat.
Okay, changing the family room to heat.
All right, you can see it changed to heat, and now let's turn it up to like 80. Okay, Google, set thermostat to 80 degrees.
Sure, setting the family room to
There you
80
go,
degrees.
just turned on, and you can see that is how you use Google Home commands to control your Nest Thermostat with voice commands. And this will work with a lot of the other smart thermostats out there on the market. But great way to see how Google Home Hub interacts with the Nest Thermostat. This also works with Google Home Mini, regular Google Home, and all those other smart home devices from Google. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, or visit us at 1hoursmarthome.com. Click the links below if you want to support us, and we will see you next time.